See the reaction, how she's going to behave. I'm so excited. I'm going to open the boot for la la la. Guck mal hier, Mami. Na? Ich habe schon bei Polizei gegangen. Ich habe schon Registrier gemacht. Hm? Wie fühlst du das?
Gut.
Ja? Hey, ich habe das. Oh, Mami. Hm? Ich habe auch einen neuen Schloss gekauft. Kannst du gucken? Ja? Der Überraschung. Wie findest du das denn? Wir nehmen doch aus.
Ja.
Findest du das morgen?
Nächste Woche.
Ja?
Nächste Woche.
Wann?
Nächste Woche.
Nächste Woche, aber nicht morgen. Komm mal hier aus. Ah, morgen ist Freitag. Und die, wo bringst du das hin?
Mein
Genauso.
genau die gleiche.
Ich war schon bei Polizei. Das ist alle registriert. Happy. People they are watching you there. I set my camera for my people to see. Just have a look. What are you going to do? Loudly, bitte.
I never will forget to close my bicycle.
Ja. You see? Kannst du schlafen? Das steht hinten in der Garten.
Ach so, das, ja, vielleicht das, aber nicht vorne.
Nee. Ich bin auch bei hinten. Ich bin auch 50. Nicht so. Das ist ganz neu. Ist besser nur einfach rein. Mach mal immer rein. Immer rein.
Aber ich krieg die Tür hin.
With the new Fahrrad, the new bicycle, guys. At least now the stress is gone. Really, the stress is so gone. Okay, guys, I'm just here. My daughter Salome, it was very exciting to see a new Fahrrad. New Fahrrad means this is a new bicycle, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your love. Thank you so much for everything, my friends. You know what? I'm just here, guys, to advise you parents out there. We are all parents, and sometimes, guys, we can just go through so much about our children. You know, kids, guys, they don't really, you know, the kids, they don't care. They're just doing their things, so like that, they don't know, you know. Like my daughter, as I said, I've been cautioning her, please, that bicycle should be staying in our garage. But she never did that. She did just 2-3 times, and everything just was like that. I told her, please just bring behind our garage. She never did that. So now, guys, for all these months, the bicycle has been just staying in front of our entrance. That is where this bicycle was stolen from. So, guys, this is not new in Germany. People, they steal a lot, especially Fahrrad bicycles. People, they steal a lot. I think like maybe 7-8 years ago also, I lost my bicycle. Someone just came in our house and they cut the locker, but eventually I found that Fahrrad. So my friends, Fahrrad, don't worry, Fahrrad is just, it's a bicycle, eh? So my friends, if you have kids, you know, Germany, Fahrrads, bicycles are very, very important. Bicycles are very, very important, guys. Sometimes, you know, like my town, this is Oldenburg, this is a Fahrrad city. This is a bicycle city, guys. People, they ride a lot of bicycle and whatever. And also bicycles are very, very important for the environment. Environment means bicycles sometimes, especially school children, they're advised to be using. This is also sportlish. Like as I said in my previous video, my daughter is in school. She's in class 7 and she's in a sports class. She does a lot of sports, guys. They go a lot with bicycle. early in the morning, 8 o'clock before they stand. This is a lesson, guys. You know, German guys, they value sports. This is among their Unterricht, among their subjects. You can find before they start their class, first they have sports. So my dear, I've just decided to do this for her. I was feeling very sorry. Yesterday on Wednesday, we had a parents meeting, guys. We has a bicycle, and maybe they are making a tour for 30 kilometers or maybe 25 kilometers. Along the way, that bicycle, guys, it's not promising. It is kaput. Who has the problem? The stress belongs to your child and the teacher, because that teacher will not leave that child there until that bicycle is vida good. So my fellow parents, I know that life is very expensive. Very expensive. Some things happens like this. It is not the children's wish. This is also, even us, guys, this is just like emergency. That's why you find in Germany, guys, people, they save money extra for anything.